Alright, I'm gonna make this Brewer's Best beer ingredient kit. This is a Mosaic IPA. It's a smaller one. First, I need to go make my fermenter out of a bottle. Here's empty water bottle. So my plan is to empty this out and sterilize. Well, sterilize it. It's already empty. And then make it big enough. I got an airlock. It's gonna burn here, so I'm gonna open this sucker up a bit so it'll fit that. Use it for an airlock in my fermenter. Sanitize the inside of this real good. It's clean, but it's been sitting for a little while. Let's see what we got in it. Directions here. Bottle cap, which I won't use. Malt. Some LME. Light malt here. Pellets. Hop. Mosaic hop pellets. Good yeast there. Malt. And alright, some more hops. Alright, and then this is for my stuff here. Pour 1.5 gallons clean water into my brew pot, and then heat it up to between 150 and 165. 1.5 gallons here. Alright, I got my food thermometer here, and so this is 66, roughly 66 to 70 degrees Celsius. That's what I'm going to use here. Alright, we're ready to go ahead and add our stuff. Then put my grains in here. Tie it in a knot. This is a real small batch. Okay, leave this in here for 20 minutes. Could use a little more grains, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, next step is bring the wort to a gentle rolling boil, and then I'm gonna add one of these. And I'm gonna add, I think I called it LME earlier. They call it DME here. So, boil it. So, this in, packet of these. Stir it all in so you're not getting any of that stuff. Don't worry about it, it's going to break down in there. Try not to splash it everywhere. There we go. Stir it around a little bit. Let's soften it up a little bit too. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. See, it's breaking down. Go ahead and add my hops now. Surround the hops. Oh, they smell good. Man, I need to grow these things. Oh, they smell wonderful. That was my first pack of hops. Boil it 40 minutes, and I'll add another one at the 40-minute mark. Real good. Still got a little bit of that left, so I just need to make sure that gets broken down all the way. Boiling now for 40 minutes. I'm going to add the second packet of hops. Stir it in. Do the other one in about 10 more minutes. I add this third and final pack of hops. Cool it down. I followed all this. I'm going to go ahead and cool it in an ice bath in the sink down to approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit. There's that nice bath going. Fermenter. I'm going to go ahead and go siphon it from there into here. Got my siphon tube. So I just drew a suction on that thing. So I just pulled this out of there. It's kind of good. So it left all that sediment in there. It'll make the beer a little bit cleaner. All right, siphon out. All right, so I've got an oversized container here for such a small batch, but what the heck, I'm gonna give it a shot. And yeah, I needed only a tiny one. I didn't realize how small this batch was gonna be. I'm gonna go with it. So I still need to pitch my yeast. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna clean this up real quick here with a dab it. Paper towel. I sanitized the tablespoon measurer here, and then I'm going to go ahead and it says measure out 1 teaspoon. I said tablespoon, teaspoon of yeast, and then I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. Sorta. I'm going to put it through the funnel. Put the yeast through that. Hopefully this works. This in a dark and cool place. Let this sit for a week in here, and then I might even let it sit 2 weeks, but you can put it in a secondary fermenter, and I might do that if I can get a smaller one. I might switch to a smaller one. Otherwise I'll just leave it in here for a couple weeks. For this, so I can bottle it, I'm going to use a siphon and siphon it out of here. This is a small batch here. Pull the airlock out. That down in there. Get the siphon in here. Draw a suction on this. There we go. Keep it out of the sediment. It's mostly successful. Got my bottle filler on here. I'm ready to go. Got my carbonation drops. I'm going to put 2 of these in each bottle. In the bottle for a couple weeks. A frosty mug. Oh, that has a good smell to it. Let's try it out. That is amazing. It almost tastes like a Belgian. That's the Mosaic hops. Really good here. This one is good. Yeah, it's got like almost a banana type of flavor to it. That's good. Yep, I'll be making this one again. Right, thanks for watching.